Hello, my dear viewers and subscribers. I am going for a nature walk, and anyone who wants to join me is more than welcome. Let me know in the comment section if you love to walk in nature as well. To me, walking in nature feels refreshing, peaceful, and relaxing. Today, I will be talking about this YouTube community I'm building from the ground up. I am inviting everyone to join me in building a life changing community together. Let's create a space of caring, sharing, and loving people because it is a part of human nature to contribute to something bigger than we think. A strong community is built on a fundamental of trust, respect, love, faith, open communication, willingness to listen, shared experiences, opinions, and knowledge. In faith, we grow. In love, we share. In hope, we endure. Let's help one another be a victors, not a victims. Give freely without expecting in return reward or praise, like giving time, food, money, service, emotional support, encouragement, or love. By caring one another, we can build a community of love for the good of all. I decided to share a few thoughts about my retirement party. I had such a fun time at my brand new beginning party. The crowd's energy and enthusiasm were unforgettable, and I couldn't be more thankful that you were there. It's a truly sweet ending to a brand new beginning. A retirement party is far more than just social gathering or cake and conversation. It's a powerful ceremony designed to publicly honor and recognize years of dedication by gathering colleagues, friends, and family. To me, a retirement party is important because the celebration prepares me for a smoother transition and helps me process my mixed emotions. More than a formal farewell, it's a celebration of a legacy built over years, allowing me to gracefully transition from a cherished career to a world of possibilities. It ensures not an abrupt end, but a seamless and magnetic start to a chapter I'm truly ready to write. More adventures awaits as I step onto a new path. My life has many pages unwritten, unfolding the richest chapter of growth and fulfillment. If this kind of content inspires you, please share, like, comments, and subscribe. Your support is needed. Together, we can change the world one person at a time. Stay tuned. More adventure awaits. God bless us all.